Hi guys, welcome back to the Wright's cooking channel. Manners and respect to all my people. Today we're going to do some chicken breasts, stuffed chicken breasts. So let's get started. Okay guys, now that we're going to season our chicken breasts, let's get started.
This is garlic powder. This is smoked paprika. Now we're going to add some black pepper to it. We're going to put some allspice seasoning on it. That allspice seasoning smells so good. Next, we're gonna put a little seasoning. It's called Vegeta, and I'll show you what it is. It's good on the food. It's also an all-purpose seasoning, and it's got a little salty taste to it. So when you're seasoning your chicken with it, you don't need that much salt on it. If you're adding regular salt to it, you don't need much because it's already salty. Now we're going to add a little browning to the meat. So when we're cooking it, it'll get a nice color to it. And this browning is optional. You don't have to add browning to it because if you cook it properly on both sides, it's gonna be brown anyway. This is just what we do. Okay, next we're gonna make the stuffing for the chicken. And in this bowl we have cream cheese, we have shredded cheese, and just a little hint of garlic. Now you can put more than that if you want to. If you like a lot of garlic, you can put more, but this is what we're using. Okay, next we're gonna add our spinach. And this is spinach from a bag, and I just added it. I just thawed it out and squeezed the water from it and add it to the mix. Next, we're gonna add our shrimp. And these shrimp are already cooked. They just, something extra to add in it. Next, we're gonna put our artichoke hearts in there. Okay, and we're just gonna mix it all up together. Mash it all out. Mr. Wright had to go in with his hand.
Yes guys, this is the way how we do it around here. This is the way how we do it, guys. We're going to mix it up.
Okay, now we're getting ready to stuff the chicken breast. Okay. And we're just using 3 chicken breasts, but we're not stacking them on top of each other. We just folding them in half. Okay. Okay, we stuffed the first one. This is the second we're gonna stuff. And just fold it over. Tuck your sides in. That's what you have to do when you overstuff it. Okay, and he's gonna get a little toothpick and poke down in it and get it ready for the cooking process. Okay, this is them stuffed. Alrighty, now that we got all our chicken breast stuff, we're gonna add them to oil skillet. And we're gonna let these cook on a medium heat about 10 minutes on each side, and we'll be back. All right, we came back to check on our stuffed chicken breast, and it was time to flip it over, which was 10 minutes. And now we're gonna do 10 minutes on this side. Okay, our stuffed chicken breast is done. This is what it looks like. This is a close-up, and this is the browning that made it dark like this, but that's fine because we like it like that. We have some that we didn't put as much browning on, but this is what it looks like. And we had a little taste, and it looks delicious. It tastes delicious. We're gonna eat this with a baked sweet potato. And yeah, thank you guys for visiting Wright's Cooking Channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.